Church, what do we say to our Father in the Lord? Happy birthday! Daddy, we want to celebrate you. We thank God for the gift of life. We thank God for preserving you and your entire household. We are not taking all the Lord has done for you for granted. We as a family in Omega Fire Ministries Lagos, we want to say happy birthday to you, Daddy. We love you. We celebrate you. On behalf of Reverend Fidelis here, my darling husband, and the entire church, we want to say we love you, we celebrate you, and we wish you many more years in good health, in wealth, and higher grounds in the name of Jesus. 5 billion and more souls you will win for the Lord in the name of Jesus. Once again, we want to say to our daddy, happy birthday.